Dreamers. Those who have ideas. They have plans. They like to talk about their plans and convince themselves that one day they will act on their dreams. There are many who will never go after their dreams. They live in a society that says you can't much more than they say you can. I think we are all dreamers. There is nothing unique about a person who wants to improve their life or who would like to do great things. Entrepreneurs. These are dreamers who have ideas, they have plans, and they act on those plans. They are not afraid to fail. They will fail often, far more than they succeed, but they don't give up. I am a part-time entrepreneur. Follow me as I show you what it is like to act on your dreams, the hard work that is involved, the failures I will endure, and the occasional successes. Follow your dreams.